We're here at the Oswalt State Beach West hike, just south of Astoria, Oregon. It's a backpacking trail, but you can't park your vehicle overnight. How ironic. Pretty beautiful hike. Open. This is cool. A little wooden suspension bridge. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize how bouncy and old this thing was. Penny's like, what is going on? It's like it's bouncing. Pumping. This is fun. Wow, it's beautiful. Go ahead, Pen. Let's go. She said, heck yeah, I'll get off this thing. And then it, of course, breaks out. One thing to beach access. It's actually quite the little hustle to get out of there. You go through a little rock stream. You gotta break across all this dead driftwood to the creek. Totally worked the hike. Wasn't even like a mile. It was about a mile. This little secret beach you can't get to unless you hike. Still a bunch of people here. It's some secret beach, huh? Found it. The ocean is so cool and relaxing. It's about 85 out right now. Perfect. I had Penny out here with me, but she wasn't having it. Look at her wading to her feet though. It's so cute. She doesn't want to get left behind. Good girl. Run! The wave is coming! She's right on the... Oh, you got her. Good girl. Good girl. That's a perfect day. I don't even know where I'm going to sleep tonight. That excites me. Good girl. Alright, now we're posted up in the shade over here on the cove doing some tide pulling. We're just sitting at the moment. Such a beautiful day. Penny's on my lap.